And I am Spesihle.
All right. We attended this entrepreneurial workshop for 3 days, sponsored by Go for Gold and also the Rotary Club from Germany. And this was really helpful and insightful
And informative.
very informative, and it has given us very brilliant ideas with regards to starting our own businesses.
Yeah, it opened my mindset with regards to being an entrepreneur. Yeah,
Wonderful.
what it takes to be an entrepreneur.
And especially in the South African economic climate, this is something that you can possibly aspire to achieve.
Very much, very much.
So do you feel that you've been given the tools necessary to start looking at your own business?
A lot, a lot. I can name a few: the leadership skills, the qualities it takes to be a leader, and the finances. With regards to financing a business, what it takes, the tax, and a lot. Yeah.
Yes, and I feel very empowered after this course. And initially, I was not really business minded, but after this course, I feel I can have, it has given me the necessary tools to also start thinking in creative ways to also, also start my own business and also head into the entrepreneurial space.
Especially after
Fantastic.
the pandemic.
Fantastic. And can you please tell us what your formal education's qualifications were?
We are doing civil engineering at Cape Peninsula University of
Yes.
Technology. So, yeah.
Yes, so recent graduates for civil engineering at CPUT.
Wonderful. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
And
Thank
thank
you.
you to the Rotary Club from Germany for
And
sponsoring this, and also Go for Gold as well. We really appreciate it.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.